Ever wondered why your antibiotic sounds look uneven or unclear? The answer might be not the antibiotic, but how you swab your MHA plate. Perfect sounds don't happen by chance. Hello everyone, this is me Sneha, and today let's learn the correct way to swab a Muller-Hinton Agar plate. Initially, why this matters a lot? A proper swabbing is the backbone of antibiotic susceptibility testing. A small mistake here can completely change your result. So, here are step-by-step methods of how perfectly a MHA plate can be swabbed. They are mainly of 4 steps. Let's see it one by one. The first step is the preparing the inoculum. Start with a fresh bacterial culture and adjust the turbidity to 0.5 McFarland standard. This ensures uniform bacterial concentration across the plate. Consistency in inoculum gives consistency in results. The second step is the important step, the swabbing technique. Dip a sterile swab into the inoculum and gently remove the excess liquid. Now swab the plates in 3 directions: horizontal, vertical and diagonal, rotating the plate each time. Not once, not twice, 3 direction swabbing for full coverage. And the third step is the final sweep. Finish by running the swab once around the edge of the agar. This ensures no area is left uncovered. Edges matters too. And the final step, the drying time. Allow the plates to stand for 3 to 5 minutes before placing the antibiotic disc. Never place disc on wet surfaces. Too wet, result will be regretted. Before swabbing, always remember, always use a sterile cotton or rayon swab for Muller-Hinton Agar swabbing. The calcium alginate swabs should not be used because it interferes with antibiotics. The swab should be moist, not dripping. After dripping into the inoculum, gently press the swab against the tube wall to remove the excess fluid. Hold the swab like a pen and apply gentle even pressure while swabbing. Moving forward to the common mistakes that happen while swabbing MHA plate. Using over-wet swab, giving uneven pressure, skipping the rotation process, and also placing the disc too early. Correct swabbing ensures clear zones, reliable result, and accurate reporting. Because in microbiology, technique is everything. Swab right, read right, and report right. If you found this helpful, like, share, and follow Medical Gurji for more lab techniques. Thank you and bye-bye.